Hi everyone. So guys, we're just talking about the tagging, which is the very important element of the HTML. But before tagging, I just want to show you how the text can be shown up in a browser. I'm just typing here, this is the paragraph. Save and go to the browser and refresh the file. Now you can see that this is a paragraph. Okay, but is it looking fine? I'm going back to the notepad and I'm making a heading just before the paragraph, the heading. Now save. Okay, this is the heading I added, and this is a paragraph I've created, and go to the browser and refresh. Now the heading, and this is a paragraph. What the mean is that where is the heading and where is the paragraph? The both things are actually mixing with each other. However, I added a line break there, but there isn't any line break. This something you must know, that in the coding, if you just add a line break by pressing enter key, it doesn't show the line break. As you can see that there isn't any line break. But if you just want to put a line break, if you just want to put the heading, if you just want to put the paragraph, or anything you want to do, you have to use the tagging. So for the paragraph and the heading, I just want to clarify that the heading, the first line number 1 is the heading, so I'm adding the paragraph, the tag here. So how to add the tag? Tag are so easy to understand. Actually, the tags are actually the abbreviation of the name or the short form of the name, sometimes whatever. In the same case, you can use the tags. For example, the H for heading. Okay, so H for heading tag 2. But which type of heading do you want? Means which level do you want? I want the H1 heading, the first level of the heading. So this is the H1. The H1 means the top level heading. But this is not the simple way to create the tag. We have to add some more things to create a complete tag: the greater than, the less than, and a greater than. Now after adding the greater than and less than, you can see that it becomes blue, just because the Notepad++ knows that this is a tag, so it became blue. Refresh now. Whoa, the heading, and this is a paragraph. The paragraph and heading both has became the heading. So how to solve this problem? We have to end up, and actually we have to declare that where we just want to end the heading. So I just want to end the heading there, just after the heading text. So at the end, we have to add the ending tag. That means this is the starting tag only. So we have to add the ending tag. So I'm gonna add the ending tag here. So what is the difference between the ending tag and the starting tag, and how we can define both of them? The starting tag is so simple that just put the tag element or the tag name and put the less than and greater than around the name, and then on the ending tag put the same thing, the H1 and the H1. But this is looking like same, and it's not the ending tag, because it's impossible to ending tag and the starting tag in same way. So what to do more? If you just want to create the ending tag, you just have to do one thing. Just go inside, and before the name of the tag, just put the backslash. You can see that. Okay, now you can see that the both are became purple in a background, got the purple background. That means they're ended. Now we are just clearing that the heading is starting from this H1 tag and ending to this tag. So if I just go to the browser and refresh now, the heading is starting from there and ending to there. That means it's exactly the heading, and this is nothing for now. This is a paragraph, we know, but actually in a browser way, in a coding way, this is a simple text. If you just want to make a paragraph, so the paragraph starts from P, so just simply call P, and that means I just want to call the paragraph. But again, the same rule, you know that what the rule the tags has, the less than, the greater than, and then, you know that I'm just saving and going to the browser and refreshing. Okay, this isn't change anything, but it's actually the paragraph for now. So now what more I need to do? You can see that I just didn't add any of the ending tag with the paragraph, but it's necessary. However, you're getting the perfect result. Why I'm getting the perfect result? Because there isn't any data after this paragraph, but I should end. This is a perfect rule to make the tags end the starting tag and cover these basic rules for making the tags. By the way, one thing more, when I decided the heading, it's automatically became the second line content, the paragraph. How? I didn't end a line break. So for example, if I just remove the line break, okay, now they both are in the same line and I just go to the browser and refresh, it's still they are in different lines. Why? The thing is that basically I just said that it doesn't matter that how much inners you press, as I'm pressing the inners continuously, it doesn't matter. So what the thing is matters, actually this tag and this tag, both tags are the block level tags. What is the block level tag? And the other ones are the inline tags. What are the block level tags? The block level tags actually has a line break before and after, and basically they covers the whole line. This whole line has been covered by the h1. So now this is the block level tag, and this one too. The inline tags, inline level tags too, you will learn about them in later classes, but basically these are the block level tag. But the other thing is, for example, I'm adding a point here, and in a same paragraph I just want to make a line. Okay, I'm just typing here, this is the second line or the second paragraph. Well, it should be the second line, because for making another paragraph I should make another p tag. Go to the browser and refresh. They both are in the same line. How to make this line as a second line? I have to add another tag. Okay, now I'm adding the br tag, the break tag, or you can say that the line break tag. Okay, I added the line break tag. Now if I just go to the browser and refresh, it's working perfectly. But what do you think? This line break tag should have an ending tag? No, not at all, because it's simply working its duty. I just added the line break tag here, the br tag, just after the paragraph, and it sends the data which is after the tag on a second line. So why to end, actually where to put the ending tag? Exactly just after this one. We can do that too. Okay, so it's not necessary. Refresh. Now you can see that another paragraph, another line break has become, because this is the third type of a tag. I just want to show you. Some tags has two parts, the starting tag and the ending tags, because they need that. For example, if you just simply put the single tag, so it won't be completed, because you cannot put anything or any paragraph after the h1 tag. Exactly, you know that how to clarify that the heading is ending. But here on the br tag, we just don't need to clarify that. We just want to end this, because the line automatically ends, the break automatically ends after when it's done. So exactly, this is called the empty tag. The starting tag has an ending tag has a starting tag, but empty tags are empty and has no starting or ending tags. They are alone, as you can see them, and they are perfect and beautiful and working very great. Another empty tag I just want to show you, the hr tag. What the mean of the hr tag? The horizontal rule. Go back and refresh. You can see a line, a horizontal rule here. This is created just because we just put this hr tag. So I think this is super and actually perfect and giving us a great result. Exactly, it just don't need the ending tag too. This why? Because you can see that it's automatically ending at the end of the line. It cannot go to the second line, because how? It cannot turn to go to the second line, so it's automatically ending. So we just don't need to add the ending tag. So exactly, it's the empty tag too. So we just learned three type of tags, and these are the only tags here: the starting tag, ending tag, and the empty tag. So guys, in the next class we will learn some more interesting things about the HTML. Stay tuned and goodbye.